In this video, I will teach you how to make a simple upgrade shop in Unity. With the upgrade shop, you will be able to upgrade your player's speed and health, and many other values. Sounds amazing? Well, depending on how many things do you want to upgrade, you will need to add multiple parts of the code. But before adding an upgrade shop, I will do this. I will create a simple upgrade menu that will consist of a purchase button and the price. I will do it simply like this. Add a button, resize it, and instead of using this text, I will try to use an image. You can use the text to write something like health or speed. But I already have the heart icon. I will just set the image to button and add another image inside. I will also add a text that will be under that button, and that will be the price. I will duplicate that button because I want two upgrades. The first upgrade will cost 10 coins, while the second one will be twice as expensive. But that won't be the same upgrade. I want to make that button upgrade the movement speed of the player. I don't have any icon that can be for speed. No problem, I can use this icon. I will first show you how to make a coin system which will count how many coins have you collected during the gameplay. The implementation of the coin system is very simple. Go to script. The script that you need to change is score manager. You need to add a new static int variable. It will be called coin count. But because this value won't be enough, you need a new variable that will be called coins this session. You need the player prefs system that will save the coin value. You should do it like this. Copy the first if player prefs has key and change high score to coin, because now we need to add one more value that will be present in the player prefs system. It will be called coins, and the reference will be to the coin count, because that will count the coins that we have in general, not the coins in this time. That will be another variable. In order to make that variable actually do something, you need to do this. Navigate to the coin spawn script, as defined in the tutorial that describes how to add coins, and add this line. Score manager coin count plus equal 1, and copy that line to add the coin this session, which means you need to count how many coins does the script have in general and how many coins have been collected in one session. The general value coin count is not the same as coin this session when you start the game. It tells you how many coins have you collected before, and you can use that value for the shop. Now moving on to the upgrade shop. It is time to add the script that will become a marketplace for your game upgrades. The upgrade shop consists of these things: buttons, coin value, and the prices of each upgrade. The optional values will be speed to add and maximum speed, because you don't want your player to be very fast. Make sure that your player simply cannot press the button. If the player doesn't collect enough coins, the button interactable should be false, which means you cannot click the button. The variable coins will be checked in void start. It will be connected to the score manager to make things in code writing much easier. Ensure that the if statements say larger and equal, because you want to be able to buy the upgrade when you reach the exact price. The next part is adding the voids. Public void buy hearts. This will be the void for adding health to your player. At first you should check if the health isn't maximum, because then you won't be able to upgrade it. Add an if statement that will check the health. Then make the coin count less by adding minus equal. That will subtract the coin count with the price of the hearts upgrade. Do the same with the next upgrade, buy speed. But unlike the previous upgrade, you can only upgrade the speed until you reach the maximum speed. So the same lines from the previous void will be also added. But pay attention. Check if the values are less than the price, because then you will need to disable the buttons. Button interactable false, when there are not enough coins. And just one more thing. Upgrading requires player prefs set int, because that line will save the coin value every time you purchase any upgrade to the player. Make sure that player prefs set int is put in those voids. Save the script and test it. I added a text that will display the coin count, the one that you see here. And in order to make sure that the health button won't be enabled, you need to put this into void update. Now your upgrade system is working fine and you can do any kind of upgrade to your player. Great job! If you don't have enough hearts, you can also upgrade them. If you have an indie game project that I need to help you with, feel free to share it by sending me a DM on Instagram. I will respond in a short amount of time. I will post the game development services on my website. Have a good day. Bye!